So 15% of 200, it might be easier to get 200 of percent of 15, which would be, if 100% of 15 is 15, 200% of 15 is 30. So this answer is 30. Another one maybe we can get quite quickly is this one down here, which actually is much easier to use the fraction. 33 1/3% as a fraction is what? 33 and 1/3. So that is asking 1/3 of 90. And that is, well, if I split 90 up into threes, each one would be 30. Okay. This one we had done earlier on. It is 20. You could have got it by 1/4 of 80 as well. That was the one I did on the board a minute ago. All right, let's try this next one. 60% of 150. How will I split that up? Well, let's use, right, what's 50% of 150? What is half of 150? So we cut it directly in half. We get 75. What's 10% of 150 then? 15. And these two add to 60%, so these two must be 60%. And that is 90, isn't it, when they add together? 90 for this one. 5% of 240, let's get 10% of 240. 10% of 240 is 24. So 5% is going to be half that, 12. 12% of 75, bit of a tricky one here. Well, let's get 10% of 75. That's 7.5. What's 1% of 75? 0.75. Then, well, that's 11% added together. So if I got one more of these 1%, that's another way of doing it, 0.75. And I can do this addition. That's 10, carry the 1. 14, 15, another 20. We get 9. 9 is 12% of 75. Let's do a slightly different method for 80% of 320. Maybe not the easiest method, but I'm going to get 20% and take it away. So 10% of 320 is 32. So 20% is going to be 64. That's 20%. But I want 80%. So I need to take away 20% to get 80%. So 320 take away 64. This mightn't be the easiest way to do this one, but we'll take it away. What do we get? 256, yes. 256. So 7% of 560, a little bit of a tricky one here. I know what 10% of 560 is 56. 1% I know is 5.6. Which one will we use? Well, maybe we get 5%, because that's going to be half of this, isn't it? So 5% of 560 is half of this one, which is 28, okay? So if I get one of these 5% and two of these 1% together, I'm going to make 7%. So that'd be 28 plus 5.6 plus 5.6, which I think if we do our addition here, we get, very good, 39.2. That was a tricky one. 2.5% of 400. That's one of the ones we can do the switcheroo, yeah. What is 400% of 2.5? So remember, 100% of 2.5 would be 2.5. So what do I multiply 2.5 by? By 4. So it is 10. And the last one, 150% of 60. Well, 100% of 60 is 60. So what's 50% of 60? 30. Put those together and we get 90. Very good. So a few different range of methods there. None we actually did out the multiplication way, really straight up multiplication. Give yourself a score out of 10. Anyone get 10 out of 10? Oh, 3 of you. Very good. Okay.